Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety. Make sure the rifle or pistol is unloaded and the magazine is out. Next, pick the correct Ruger magazine loader and align the magazine mouth with the loader's guide. Once done, position rounds so the bullet tips face forward, because consistent orientation prevents jams. While holding the magazine steady, insert the loader onto the feed lips until it seats. This initial alignment reduces resistance and sets you up for smooth, consecutive loads. With the loader seated, place the first round into the loader's tray and press the plunger or lever down firmly. You need full travel so the round clears the feed lips. Continue feeding one round at a time, keeping steady pressure and a consistent rhythm, because uneven force causes double feeds or misalignment. Make sure the follower drops smoothly and the rounds stack squarely. If resistance increases, stop and realign the loader and magazine to avoid crushing primers or bending cartridges. Once the magazine is full or you've loaded the desired count, remove the loader and visually confirm rounds are even and the follower has spring tension. This ensures reliable feeding. If rounds aren't seated, give the base a light tap to settle them, because small shifts can affect chambering. If a jam occurs, stop, point muzzle in a safe direction, and clear rounds methodically. Don't pry or force. After clearing, recheck alignment and retry at a slower pace to prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.